Hi, I'm Katie from Shop Wild Things, and I wanted to show you two of the new trees that we just received in. I'm kind of stuck in a forest here. This is item number 167084. It's a beautiful multicolor pink flower, and all of the branches are totally bendable. The branches are also removable, so you just take them out for storage, flatten them up, and put the trunk in the box that it comes in. The box is really well made, so you can use the box that we ship in for storage. This one is item number 167079, and these are each 6 feet tall. They are about the same size as a lot of our other 6-foot trees, and so I just want to show you a size comparison. I'm 5'8". I'll come stand out in front of them. I'm 5'8", so you can see, the scope of these next to a real live human being. I also wanted to pick these up and show you that this is pretty easy to pick up. I carried 3 of these over here by myself, which was very, very easy, so not a problem for most people to pick this up. The base is sturdy. You don't need any extra stabilizer plates. So we had this one made in a certain way so that it will not flop over for your event. You can drape this or put moss on the bottom if you'd like, if you're using it on the tabletop. And as always, if you have any questions, if you want us to make videos for anything else, just let us know. It's easy enough for us to do. Thank you so much.